Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow well. Save, invest, and grow well. That is the only thing I do. I teach people about the stock market because I know one thing. Saving and investing is the key to growing wealth in the stock market. And the stock market over a period of years has been able to create a lot of millionaires and will be able to create a lot of billionaires. We have billionaires like James Mwangi of Equity Bank. We have billionaires like Joe Baragi Wanjiwi of UAP or Mutual. We have billionaires like Kibunga. We have billionaires like Merali. We have billionaires like Peter Munga also of Equity. We have so many billionaires. We have the president also a billionaire courtesy of his shares in NCBA Bank. That is locally. And of course, we had the late Chris Kirubi. Now, internationally, we have so many billionaires, courtesy of their companies. We have Richard Branson, we have Bill Gates, we have Mark Zuckerberg, we have Jeff Bezos, we have Elon Musk. They are all billionaires, courtesy of their investments in their company or their shares, their ownership in the companies. Now, today's topic is this. Dividend stocks you should own in your retirement. Dividend stocks you should own in your retirement. One of those dividend stocks you should own Stanchart. Stanchart gives very good dividends, about 10%, 10 shillings. Rather, that is the amount of money they gave in the year 2020. We have BAT. BAT gives very good dividends. So it's a very good dividend stock you should own in your retirement for regular income. We have Total Kenya, also gives very good dividends. So Total Kenya is one stock you should own. It gives very good dividends and is very good in your retirement, or not even in retirement. It's not only retirement where you need money. You need money to pay school fees, children go to school fees. Children go to school every day and you need school fees. So if you need some regular income, or you can plan, buy stocks, buy shares, so that after some times you are able to get dividends to pay your school fees, to go on holidays. Like now I'm in Mombasa. If you need to get dividends so that you can go for holidays, you can do that. If you have charity that you support, you can buy stocks, get dividends and support your charity. There's many reasons why you need money. So Stanchart, very good dividend stock. Barclays Bank, another good dividend stock. Total Kenya, another good dividend stock. BAT,